The Red Town Hall, or Rotes Rathaus, has stood at the heart of Berlin's civic life since the 19th century. Completed in 1869, the building was designed in neo-Renaissance style by architect Hermann Friedrich Wessemann. Its striking red brick façade, inspired by North Italian city palaces, reflects Berlin's growing ambition during the era of rapid industrial expansion. Along the exterior runs a long terracotta frieze known as the Stone Chronicle. It illustrates key moments from Berlin's history, turning the entire building into a visual timeline of the city. During the Second World War, the Red Town Hall was heavily damaged. It was reconstructed in the 1950s, when Berlin was divided, and became the seat of the East Berlin government. After German reunification in 1990, the building regained its role as the official seat of the governing mayor of Berlin. Today, surrounded by the Neptune Fountain and overlooked by the TV tower, the Red Town Hall represents continuity, a historic landmark where Berlin's political past and present meet, a city glimpse, stuff in Berlin.